Hey everybody, I'm Dr. David B. Franklin, President and CEO of Occur. Faith Forward is more than a conference, it's a journey that's all about collaboration. We started with an event, but now we are continuing the journey so that we can collaborate together as faith-based organizations, nonprofits, business leaders, civic leaders, to ensure that we can collectively improve our impact and make our communities a better place.
Because we know that there are real active players trying to move against an agenda of inclusion and thriving and empowerment for our communities. If you're thinking about coming to any of the events for Occur, I would highly encourage you to do so. You're going to see leaders in the community who are from here and thinking about where we're going now and for the next 7 generations. So we're talking about legacy.
Take your rightful place in leadership, wherever it may be. And it doesn't have to be on a payroll. Your right to leadership in this here community as the healers, as the blessed ones, as the ones who never compromise our politics for our people.
We need to check our egos at the door. We need to figure out how we collaborate. We need to come together and do something that will change history.
So now is the time to get involved, get engaged. No one is coming to save us. We must work together to save ourselves and our community. And I want you to be part of this journey. So if you're ready to take the next step and work together as a community, go to occurnow.org. That's OCCURNOW.org. Click on the button that says A Model Built on Faith. Share with us your information, and let's take the next steps together so that we can see our community thrive.